welcome back to my channel. I am Megha and you're watching The Divine Style. If you're new to my channel, then please go on, hit the subscribe button. With that, hit the bell icon so that you are notified every time I post a new video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 products which did not work for me. Like, I tried using them in several ways, but yet no, these products, they did not work for me. I'm not saying that these products won't work for you as well, but it did not work for me, and that's why I just thought to show you people what are those products so that you think twice before buying these products. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So starting off with our first product, we have our foundation. This is the Lakme Absolute Mousse foundation. Now I don't remember the shade, I don't remember the price, I don't remember anything because I bought this foundation 1.5 years ago or something like that, and I don't remember anything. I just tried using it 1 year ago and it just didn't work for me because it is supposed to work, but it did not work for me. And when I did not use it, this is what the condition of the foundation became. I know it is a mousse foundation, but ye kya hota hai? What is this? I mean, it is really very expensive. This foundation is approx 800 or 900, and I didn't use it. Like, I didn't even use it, and ye ho gaya iska halat. And I tried getting my own shade, but like isko dekhne par aisa lagta hai ki this is my shade. It is really very warm toned and it looks like it is my shade, but then when I apply it, it is really very white for me. I'll quickly show you a swatch with this. It's really very, you can see how it's flaking off. It's really very cakey. My skin started looking really very cakey. Now one thing I liked about this product is, since this is a mousse foundation, you can use it as a primer. If you already have this foundation and you got the right shade for you, but you don't like this product as a foundation, then you can use it as a primer because it literally blurs out my pores. It makes the skin really very smooth, and when you apply foundation above it, I'm sure it's gonna sit really very properly. I've not tried it, I've not tested this as a primer. I just swatched it after a long time and I feel like हाँ प्राइमर की तरह ये यूज हो सकता है. एंड या इफ यू यूज इट एज अ प्राइमर एंड ये काम कर लेता है, देन लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. Yeah, now that was pretty much about this. It did not work for me. I wouldn't suggest you to get for it. You'll get better foundations in the market. And yeah, moving on to our next product, we have our concealer, and this is a concealer from NY Bay. Now this is in the shade Golden NYBFCS3. Now this says it is foundation as well as a concealer. Now this is how the product looks like. मैंने इतना बार इसको घिसा है. That's when the pigment started showing. Or else if I just do it once, there's no pigment. There's no pigment at all. So basically, there's no pigment at all. So first of all, I got a wrong shade for myself. So this cannot be used as a foundation for me. Now I started using this as a concealer, and when I started using it as a concealer, my under eye started creasing so very much. बहुत ज़्यादा ही crease करने लग गया था, and around my mouth where I have my smile lines, that is the area where अगर मैं बहुत अच्छा भी concealer लगा लेती हूँ तो भी creases बैठते हैं. So I don't expect anything from this product, at least because NY Bay, I really like the brand. It has some beautiful lip colors, some beautiful primers, and compact powder भी बहुत अच्छा है NY Bay का. But this concealer plus foundation did not at all work for me. Now this concealer, since it's cheap, I did not regret buying this product. So I would suggest you not to try this product. Now moving on to our third product, we have a highlighter, and for today's highlighter, I have this highlighter from My Glam. Now this is in the shade 02 Pink Rose, and this is how the highlighter looks like. Now one thing I liked about the product is it has a full size mirror in it, which is really very convenient. Now I'll quickly show a swatch for you. I'll rub it. Yeah, pigment, where are you? Where are you? There is no pigment at all. कहाँ है? I'll quickly do it again and I'll show you. There's no pigment at all. अगर इतना रब करने के बाद इतना ही बस pigment आ रहा है, then now the fact that it blends really very easily, लेकिन pigment ही नहीं है, तो blending का कोई chance नहीं है. And that's why I wouldn't suggest you to get this product. I wouldn't suggest you to get your hand on this product because it's just a wastage of money. Next product which we have is again from My Glam, and this is their My Glam Magic Potion. and this is supposed to be a roll-on illuminator, but now this literally removes makeup from that area where you apply this product, and this is not something we want from our product. Now this is supposed to be a nice highlighter, roll-on highlighter, which adds on highlight, adds on glow to your face, but now it only removes the makeup. Now when you apply it below your foundation, it works, because I've tried it several times and it works. It makes your base look really very dewy, very glowy, but it is supposed to be applied above foundation, above your makeup as well, and where it does not work. So paying $9.95 for a product which does not work as an illuminator, but it claims to be an illuminator, is not worth it. But yeah, you can apply it below your foundation and your base will look really very dewy, very glowy. So the choice is yours, you want to buy or not, because I like it like 40% or 30% I like it, but the major part, the work it has to do, it does not do, and that is I don't like this product. And yeah, that is pretty much about this product. And moving on to the next product, we have this product which is from Sugar. Now this is their Smudge Me Not liquid lipsticks, and these lipsticks are not worth buying, because I've tried applying this lipstick in several ways, but at the end my lips just look really very dry, very chappy, really very flaky, and there are no more terms I can use. Overall my lips feel really very uncomfortable, and I've tried moisturizing my lips really very well before applying this. I've tried applying it above my other lipsticks. Also I've tried applying it bare lips. Now it does not work at all, like कोई भी तरीके से it does not work. I wouldn't suggest you to get hands on this product. And yeah, that is pretty much about this video, and if you like this video then please do not forget to hit the like button, and I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, take care, goodbye.